And once they're separated, I'm gonna start seasoning. Now, one of the key things that I do when I first start seasoning the lamb chops is to start with the salt and tenderizer first. Now, right here, I have Adolph's tenderizer right here. And this basically makes the meat, drum roll, it tenderizes it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna put tenderizing. Now, tenderizing doesn't add any flavor to it. It just makes the meat more soft by breaking down the fibers inside of the lamb chops. So put that on there. And the next thing that I want to do is you want to salt it. So right here I have 365 sea salt. And I'll put the sea salt on here. This adds a lot of flavor to the lamb chops. Then you have options of what you want to do. Right here I have organic. This is Kirkland Brands, Kirkland's Finest, no salt seasoning. Now, since I just put salt on it, this might be a viable option for me to add to it. Of course, I have black pepper. For this recipe, I'm also going to add a little bit of oregano. And I'm also going to do a little bit of curry. So right here, I have the multi-spice curry. Just going to go ahead and add the curry first so I can see how much goes on. And I don't put a lot of curry. But just a little bit, just gives a slight curry-nation. Just made up that word, hope you liked it. No Steph. See if I can get this. All right. I'm gonna put a little bit of curry on it. Just break it up, it was caked in there a little bit. So I'm gonna put some curry on the lamb chops right here. And now that I added the salt on it, it's actually going to bring some of the curry flavor inside of the lamb chops. So put the curry on there. Then I'm going to put up a little bit of oregano or black pepper. These are fresh black peppercorns. I'm going to put this on here. Absolutely. And then the seasoning ingredient. It has garlic in it. It has a lot of other things in it. I tend to like it. So I'm going to put some of this on here. A little bit of oregano. Just a little bit. Oregano can be overpowering. Just put a little bit on it. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and flip this on the other side. Right here. So now that it's flipped, I'm going to do the seasoning on this other side. I'm going to go ahead and, remember, add the tenderizer. Not too much, because it might be too tenderized. And one thing to note, the longer you let it marinate, which I'm going to let sit in the refrigerator for a few hours, the more the tenderizer goes into action and makes it less tough. So it's important to take note, because you may not want the meat to be too tender, and that definitely will happen with the length of time that you have on it. A little bit of salt, sea salt. All right. And then curry. Got the curry. Put the curry on there. Put a little bit too much on that one piece. It'll live, or maybe it won't. Go ahead and put the curry on that, and then a little oregano, the Kirkland's organic no salt seasoning. And so once I have this on here, sometimes people can put a little bit of olive oil on it. I put olive oil on it right here. And the reason why is when I cook it, the seasoning on here won't burn. So now that I have that sprayed on there, I'm going to take a plate or my dish that I'm going to put this into the, and I'm going to put the olive oil side down, like that. And the reason why I put olive oil on this is because when it starts to cook, there's a lot of oil inside of the lamb chops, but it takes time for it to come up and protect the seasoning on it. So the olive oil just gives it a little boost to protect the seasoning from burning. So I'm going to spray this all out. You know, the bottle activator. I can do this right here. I can just go ahead, get it on that way. And so once I have this right here, I could go ahead and put the top on it. Some people like to keep this in the refrigerator overnight. I'm actually going to keep it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours and let the seasoning go through it. That is how you season lamb chops. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.